The best trade, an amazing trade. We had all the yen pairs, especially if you look at the pound yen, we had an amazing short trade here. As mentioned yesterday, we also had, if you're watching my analysis yesterday, we had this beautiful short trade here. Price developed sort of like a head and shoulder pattern, price nicely broken. This was the amazing short trade this morning. This was the target, squeeze some profit, even price come back, and we also had the short trade here. And afterwards, we have a couple of amazing short and long trade here. Now, let me show you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. Hello trader. Today is the last trading day of the week, 21st of November 2025. What a blessing Friday, guys. Amazing analysis. Let me share with you guys how we help our traders through live intraday analysis. So if you look at the pound dollar, and if you follow my YouTube analysis, if you haven't, you can watch it yesterday analysis. We had this beautiful breakout. And after that, we were expecting this pullback short trade. Pretty straightforward. We had this short trade here this morning. We also had this breakout. Price nicely respect the previous high. We were expecting this price of action. Price developed our bottom that gave us the high probability of continuation to the upside. So if you look at the intraday analysis, we had this beautiful breakout, the London morning session, squeeze amazing profit, and afterwards price reverse. We had this beautiful counter. Even after that, we did another analysis and explained this analysis very well. You can see here that this is the low, the high has been broken. Only we're looking at short. If the price gonna break, give us the confirmation. Otherwise, if the price is going to develop any correction, then we're looking one more push to the upside. And even after that, we had a two pullbacks, which we did another analysis, as you can see here. Price nicely broken. Or even now, if you look at the price right now, we had also after this breakout pullback. So the traders are still holding long on pound dollar. EURUSD more or less the same. We had a beautiful pullback show breakout short trade here. After that, we had a pullback short trade here. And let me show you guys the analysis. This was the analysis. We had a pretty straightforward London morning session breakout. And after this breakout, we have another beautiful pullback, which is price nicely developed over the bottom. Sorry, double top at this support resistance level. And beautiful short trade. Amazing profit, guys, on your USD. The best trade, an amazing trade. We had all the yen pairs, especially if you look at the pound yen, we had an amazing short trade here. As mentioned yesterday, we also had, if you're watching my analysis yesterday, we had this beautiful short trade here. Price developed sort of like a head and shoulder pattern, price nicely broken. This was the amazing short trade this morning. This was the target, squeeze some profit, even price come back, and we also had the short trade here. And afterwards, we have a couple of amazing short and long trade here. Now, let me show you guys how we analyze the entries and exit each and explain our trader details and bank amazing profits. So if you look at we had this morning, London morning session, breakout, give us the confirmation, another confirmation. We had amazing trade here. Then later on, we also had this was the another when the price came back and hit this level and reversed the candle. In intraday, this is what we explained. Look for this breakout, price nicely broken, amazing pullbacks, squeeze amazing profit. Then we have counter long trade here, pretty straightforward, broken and pullback, amazing profit on pound yen. That was a beautiful. Then later on, we also had a counter short trade here. As you can see here, the price nicely hit, come back here, and this was the trade we had. It beautiful breakout. After the breakout, pullback, pullback, pullback. And that's what I explain our trader. Just keep taking any pullback through live ID commentary and squeeze amazing profit. Then we also had another counter long trade here, which is a pretty straightforward. Price nicely broken and give us the confirmation and squeeze amazing profit. But before that, we also had this beautiful short trade, and most of the traders really enjoy today. So I hope, guys, you enjoyed this analysis review, but I'm pretty sure you're going to love it when you see it real time with the live audio commentary support. So most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.